Hi, and welcome to our basic series. Today we are going to go over teams and how you work with them in Outway. Working across your team is where you can actually have a lot of the biggest impact with Outway. No matter what your team is actually responsible for, whether you're doing maintenance or trail work or ecology or wildfire, whatever it is, making sure that you and your team are all working together on the same page. In Outway, having your team work together means that you can collaborate on location types, libraries, everything happening in the field, and you can manage your team together easily. We even have a team page that allows you to easily navigate, capture, and see all of this. On the team page, at a high level, we have a dashboard, all of your locations, and all of your libraries. On the dashboard, you'll see a list of all of your team members. You can click on your team members list and actually see all of their contributions, any of the locations they've made, and any of the comments they have in there. You can also see their contact information, such as their phone number and email. Also on the dashboard are a handful of charts that are easy for you to use and navigate, including your team's activity, a breakdown by team member, and then a breakdown by the categories that you have and you're working with out in the field. For the dashboard, you can also quickly filter and change the time frame. So maybe you don't want to see this week, maybe you want to see the last month, or even the last year. It'll update all of these graphics so you can really quickly analyze how your team is working across the year. You can tag your team members in individual locations. You can also share those items to people with the share button in the top right corner. On the team page, you can access your team settings. Here you can change your name, your lead, but most importantly, you can actually interact with your members. So here you can add new members and you can remove team members. When you remove team members, it doesn't delete their work, but it does make their account inactive. For the locations, this is also where you generate your reports. Whatever filters you set here, such as maybe just maintenance tasks, will be what gets generated in that report. Click the export button and select the format. We'll choose Summary PDF. That will give us a beautiful summary of all of our locations, where they happened, and what is important to take away from them. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps you set up your team and work well in Outway, and stay tuned for more in our basic series.